Alright guys, today I wanted to show you the Dreo Solaris. So this is the Solaris 525, the 23-inch silver edition. So this may be good for you if you're really trying to heat up a space in the shortest amount of time possible. You could get a radiator heater, but those take a little longer. So the name of the game here is speed. So today I'm going to show you what features this comes with and how to use it. So as you can see, it is like a mini tower fan. It's about 2 feet, so 23 inches. It is sitting on this table, just so you know. And the heat will just come out of this front part here. So it does oscillate, so keep in mind it will rotate if you needed to. It has a 70-degree oscillation mode. And it doesn't actually have any physical buttons because you're going to control it right through the top here, the touchscreen LED. So once you turn it on, as you'll see, there's kind of 6 buttons. Right above the power button is the mode button. So you're going to click that and you can choose between 3 different modes. So there's the regular power heater mode, and there's going to be 3 levels of that. So there's H1, H2, and H3, so low, medium, high. And you really want to use that one if you're trying to heat up the space as fast as possible, especially that H3. But if you press that button again, it will take you to eco mode, which is essentially just a thermostat mode. You'll be able to change the temperature using the plus and minus buttons. And so once it reaches that temperature, it'll just automatically turn off the heater. And then once it gets cold again, it will restart the heater to get it back up to that temperature. One really cool thing about this is that if you press that mode button again, it will actually go into fan mode. So it'll just act like any regular fan. So this might prove useful to you even in the summertime to help cool things down. All 3 modes will work with that oscillation button. So if you just press that button at the bottom left. And then lastly, there is a timer button, and you can use that to have this thing turn off by itself. You can go from 1 hour all the way to 12 hours. You can control everything remotely through the remote. It has everything that you see on the LED display. It does add the ability to be able to turn off the sound with that bottom right button. And then the only difference with the LED display with the remote is that you can actually access the safety lock. So if you hold the top 2 left buttons, it'll kind of count down for 3, 2, 1, and then it'll say LC. And then if you try to press any other button, it will not do anything. So speaking of safety features, it does have overheat protection. It'll also turn itself off automatically if it happens to tip over. And then lastly, it does have a handle at the back here. So if you need to move it for some reason and it's still hot, you won't burn yourself. All right guys, but that was the Dreo Solaris 525. It is both a tower heater and tower fan, and you can have it work like a thermostat or just regular heater. So definitely check this thing out today if you're looking to keep warm.